Understanding your wage replacement benefit is important. If you are hurt on the job and unable to work while you recover, we will replace your lost employment income with a wage replacement benefit while you receive the help you need to recover and return to work safely. Wage replacement is based on the taxable amount of money you earned at the time of your workplace injury. Payment of this benefit is based on 90% of your net earnings. To calculate net earnings, we start with your gross earnings and subtract income tax, CPP, and employment insurance. We then use 90% of those net earnings to set a compensation rate for your wage replacement benefit. Your full wage replacement benefit is available as long as you are medically unable to work, and there is no modified work available for you while you recover. If you're able to go back to work on a modified schedule, partial wage replacement is available if you incur any loss of earnings during this period. Once you recover and are able to return to work safely, there may be other benefits available to you if you still require some assistance. Let your claim owner know how you are doing and if you need any help. They will discuss any additional benefits with you. If you have questions at any time, give us a call. WCB, we're here to help.